Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to find the maximum number in a row and in a column. So let's begin. First, let us look at the row A. To find the maximum number in row A, we type the formula equal max bracket open, select all this number, select the row, bracket close, enter. See, the maximum number in this row is 94. To find the rest of the numbers, just drag this little square. See, in this row 100 is the highest, in this row 87 is the highest, in this row 90 is the highest, in this row 97 is the highest, and in this row 93 is the highest. Now let's do it again in the bottom. Type in equal max open bracket, select all this number, bracket close, enter. See, 93 is the highest number in this column, and drag this little square and the answers are there. Let's put the color in them. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you loved the video, like, comment and share. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.